Good day everyone. For today, let me share with you on how to change all your Facebook page posts from private or to only me and change it to public. So as you can see, here are all my posts and it's in only me, this one as well. So that is why I don't have any engagement on my posts. Now in order for you to change that into public, you can just simply click your profile and then click your profile here. And then after that, once you're already in your profile, kindly click the three dots here and then kindly go to activity log. After that, once you're done with the activity log, kindly click the so one moment. Kindly click this your Facebook activity and then here you see post. Kindly click manage post and then after that kindly click filters and then click after that click your post photos and videos. Now after that kindly click all and then click change audience. Now click change audience public and then change. So from only me it turns to public. So that's it for today.